Hello everybody, I am here at another convention, and with the convention comes the hotel room. So I am here at Super 8 in Collinsville, Illinois. So let me show you what's going on in this room. So, there's the door where you walk in. This door could be painted a bit, but that's really not the worst thing. You could just use some attention. So anyway, you walk into the door. We'll get to the main part in a second. To your right is the bathroom. A vanity with your favorite YouTuber. A mirror that has the frame coming off. Actually, hold on. Maybe I can stick it back up here. No, it's not like it's like coming off the wall. Just like the part that sticks on is coming off. Once again, that could use a little more attention, but just a cosmetic thing. Nothing deal-breaking at the end of the day. Anyway, here's the vanity. There's the towels. Toilets. Shower. Everything else looks pretty good. On to the main part of the actual hotel part, room part. Anyway, here's another circle mirror. Again, with your favorite content creator. A lamp that I can't get to turn on. There's a desk, which I have some of my stuff on there right now. There's one of the beds. Nightstand in between. And there's another bed that I have all my stuff on, since I am flying solo this time. TV. And I gotta say, for a budget hotel, it's really nice that they include a microwave and refrigerator for you, so you can get food of your own and you don't have to like spend a whole bunch on food at the convention. So yeah, refrigerator, microwave, coffee, air conditioner, which is a little old but seems to be working just fine. It's like 90 degrees, so obviously I turned it on. And yeah, it's very comfortable in here. Check out the view. There's a hotel across the street, and across the street and to the left, that is the convention center. That is how close this hotel is at like 1/3 of the price. Even if it does have some stuff that's a little not cosmetically pleasing. There's a guy walking by. I'm sure he's thinking, what the hell is this person doing recording me? And that's about it, really. There's some pictures over the beds, which is a nice little touch. So, my overall opinion. Oh, I forgot the ironing board and iron. There's an ironing board and the closet area where you can hang whatnot on. So, my overall opinion is it's pretty nice for a budget hotel and definitely worth staying at if you're going to the convention center because you literally saw how close it is. But to the people at this particular location that work here, just pay a little more attention to the overall cosmetic of the room, because that can go a long way. And that's it. Thank you for watching this little tour of the Super 8s in Collinsville, Illinois. Hope you enjoyed it, and stay tuned for plenty of footage of the convention that I am about to go to. And yeah, that's all.